Dear student, in this video we will learn worksheet 3 question number 5 to 8. In question number 5, here question is Ranjan bought a second hand scooter for rupees 6,000. He spent rupees 300 on its repairs and sold it to Vineet at a profit of 10%. Vineet sold the scooter to Mukesh at a loss of 10%. At what price did Mukesh buy the scooter? मतलब रंजन जो है एक सेकेंड हैंड स्कूटर 6,000 में परचेज करता है, 300 उस पर रिपेयरिंग में स्पेंड करता है और 10% प्रॉफिट में वो विनीत को सेल कर देता है। और विनीत क्या है कि 10% लॉस पे वो मुकेश को सेल कर देता है। तो मुकेश किस प्राइस पे स्कूटर को परचेज किया ये फाइंड आउट करना है। तो गिवन है गिवन दैट कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ अ स्कूटर फॉर रंजन के लिए कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या है? रुपीज 6,000 स्पेंट ऑन रिपेयर्स रुपीज 300. एक्चुअल कॉस्ट प्राइस एक्चुअल CP ऑफ स्कूटर इक्वल टू रुपीज 6,000 प्लस रुपीज 300. इट मीन्स रुपीज 6,300. नाउ एंड सोल्ड इट टू विनीत एट अ प्रॉफिट क्या है? प्रॉफिट है 10%. तो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ अ स्कूटर फॉर रंजन क्या होगा? सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होता है? CP इंटू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट बाई 100. So here's cost price is actual cost price is 6,300. 100 plus profit percent is 10% by 100. So you get 6,300 into 110 by 100. 100 cancel with this. So the selling price of a scooter for Ranjan is equal to 63 into 110, that is 6,930. Is it clear? Now the selling price of a scooter for Ranjan is equal to cost price of a scooter for विनीत. इसके लिए होगा विनीत के लिए. तो CP ऑफ अ स्कूटर फॉर विनीत इक्वल टू 6,930. लॉस कितना है? लॉस क्या है? लॉस है तुम्हारा 10%. तो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ अ स्कूटर फॉर विनीत एट अ लॉस ऑफ 10% इक्वल टू क्या होगा? CP इंटू 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट बाई 100. क्या हो जाएगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस विनीत के लिए क्या है? 6,930 इंटू 100 माइनस 10% बाई 100. इट मीन्स 6,930 इंटू 90 बाई 100. 0 0 cancel. Then you get 693 into 9. Multiply them. After multiplying you get 6,237. So the cost price of a scooter for Mukesh इक्वल टू क्या होगा? सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ अ स्कूटर फॉर विनीत. विनीत जितने में बेचा है उतना में ही मुकेश खरीदा है. इक्वल टू क्या होगा? रुपीज 6237. This is the answer. Now in question number 6, here question is, a man buys 2 pens at rupees 20 each. He sell one at a gain of 5% and other at a loss of 5%. Find the gain or loss percent. You have to find overall gain or loss percent. ठीक है. Solution. Cost price of each pen is equal to rupees 20. So the cost price of 2 pen is equal to rupees 20 into 2, that is rupees 40. In the selling price of first pen at a profit of 5% is equal to 20 into 100 plus 5 by 100. It means 20 into 105 by 100, cancel with 5 times, then you get 105 by 5, that is 21. It means rupees 21. It means rupees 21. Now selling price of second pen at a loss of 5% is equal to 20 into 100 minus 5 by 100. It means what? So 20 into 19 by 100, 95 by 100, cancel with 5 times, again cancel with 19 times, so you get rupees 19. Total selling price is equal to rupees 21 plus rupees 19, that is rupees 40. Total cost price is also 40 and the total selling price is also 40. So here CP is equal to क्या है, rupees 40, and SP is equal to rupees 40. So there is no profit, no loss. This is the answer. Now in question number 7, here question 7, Mr. Tandon purchased a computer for rupees 32,000 and a microwave oven for rupees 6,500. On computer he lost 5% and on microwave he gained 15%. Find his total gain or loss percent. You have to find total gain or loss percent. The cost price of computer is equal to rupees 32,000. Cost price of microwave oven is equal to rupees 6,500. Total cost price is equal to rupees 32,000 plus rupees 6,500, that is rupees 38,500. Also given that selling price of computer at a loss of 5% is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Here CP is 32,000 into 100 minus 5 by 100. Is it clear? So SP of computer इक्वल टू क्या होगा 32,000 इंटू 95/100. So cancel 2 zeros, then you get 320 into 95. क्या हो जाएगा ये 30,400. This is the SP of computer. SP of computer. Now selling price of microwave oven at a profit of 15% is equal to the cost price of microwave oven is 6,500 into 100 plus gain percent, that is 15 divided by 100. So you write 6,500 into 115 by 100. 100 cancel with 100 times 0 0. So you got 65 into 115. After multiplying you get 7,475. तो total selling price of computer and oven is equal to rupees 30,400 plus 7,475. Then you get 37,875. नाउ तो ये क्या है, ये एसपी हो गया, टोटल एसपी, टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस, और टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या था 38,500. हेयर सीपी इज ग्रेटर देन एसपी, देन लॉस इक्वल टू सीपी माइनस एसपी, विच इज 38,500 minus 37,875. Then you get 625. Is it clear? Now you have to find the profit or loss percent. तो loss percent is equal to loss by total cost price, which is 38,500 into 100. 0 0 cancel with 0 0 times 385. तो क्या आ गया 625 by 385. cancel with 5 125 times. here 7 735 77. ठीक है, therefore you get 125 by 77, and after dividing you get 1.62%. this is the answer. लॉस परसेंट, ये क्या है लॉस परसेंट. सो ओवरऑल 1.62% लॉस. Is it clear? Now question number 8. In question number 8, here question is Mr. A sell a bicycle to Mr. B at a profit of rupees 20%, and Mr. B sell it to Mr. C. Mr. B sell it to Mr. C. to Mr. C. क्या होगा 2 at a profit of 25%. If Mr. C pays rupees 1,500, what did Mr. A pay for it? Let Mr. A pays rupees X for bicycle. ठीक है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ bicycle at a profit of 20% इक्वल टू क्या होगा x into 100 plus 20 by 100, CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. So x into 120 by 100 cancel with 26 times and 5 times, then you get 6x by 5. So selling price of bicycle is equal to bicycle for Mr. A is equal to 6x by 5. Now the cost price of bicycle for Mr. B is equal to क्या होगा, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ बाइसिकल for Mr. A, that is 6x by 5. Now selling price of bicycle for Mr. B at a profit of 25%. अब हम लोग क्या निकालेंगे, B कितने में सेल कर रहा है बाइसिकल को, यानी सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ बाइसिकल फॉर मिस्टर B एट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 25%. Here the cost price of bicycle for Mr. B is equal to 6x by 5. So you write 6x by 5 into 100 plus profit percent by 100. Then you get 6x by 5 into 125 by 100. Cancel with 5 times, 4 times. Again 5 cancel. 2 cancel with 3x and 2. So which you get 3x by 2. So the selling price of bicycle for Mr. B is equal to 3x by 2, which is the cost price for Mr. C, and the CP of bicycle for Mr. C is equal to 3x by 2. Given that Mr. C pay rupees 1500 for bicycle, so 3x by 2 is equal to 1500. Then you have to find x. So x is equal to 2 into 1500 by 3. Cancel with 5 times. So you get 1000. So x is equal to क्या होगा, रुपीज 1000. So Mr. A pays rupees 1000 for bicycle. So completed worksheet 3. Okay, thank you.